sweet bunny. Time melts on you like extra honey. 잠이 들면 난 네 옆자리 멋쩍은 노을이 지던 자리.
I leave for Korea in a week and I haven't packed yet. Sorry, it's like 7 a.m. Everybody's asleep. My alarm just went off. So I'm getting ready right now to go to my research lab. If I ever wake up later, I always feel very unproductive and I end up like laying in bed for a while. If I have something to do in the morning and I get up for it, then I don't know, I just feel like I am setting myself up and I have a good day. So today we have to go to the lab to check it out. So I'm trying to join this research lab that I'm really interested in this upcoming semester, and then I'm going to meet my friend at a coffee shop on campus and we're going to study for the MCAT together, maybe go thrifting.
All you chose was running down your arm, sunset spreading all through the touch. Your time was running all out and I can't stop calling. 널 처음 많이 찾아봐 나의.
Why aren't you recording?
My vlog. Oh my gosh, so I just finished the first 2 books of this manga and it was so good. I want the next 3. There's such a cliffhanger I was left on, but the art is really pretty and I really like horror books, so yes, that was very good. I recommend. Just got back from a run. I'm about to get a shower and I'm gonna start packing. I have a 4th of July party later. Ugh. My desk is a mess. My face looks really swollen. Okay, I'm doing the hack where you like layer your suitcases together because I'm not bringing that much, but I'm planning on buying a lot, so I'm gonna want 2 suitcases coming back. I'm worried that it's gonna weigh more than 50 pounds because that's the limit. I guess we'll see. I have a little like handheld luggage scale. Let's see. Okay, so all my clothes are packed and my shoes that I want to bring. I kind of didn't know how many shoes I wanted to bring because last time I went to Korea I brought like 7 pairs of shoes. Yeah, I ended up wearing like 3 pairs, so I'm gonna try to pack a little less, and if I want to buy some I can buy some. I have like my carry-on packed, it's not done yet, and then I have my checked packed. I still have to pack my backpack, which is going to be my personal item. I'm gonna put my Lake laptop and stuff in there too, study. But he hasn't packed yet. It's a lazy butt.
Hey, it's your fault. You infected me.
The hell? Okay, so I just woke up and it's Sunday today, the day after 4th of July. I'm about to go on my morning run, but we leave in like 5 hours for traveling. We're gonna be traveling for a while, so I want to make sure that I get all my stuff packed right after my run, I guess. I'm packing my toiletries. Here's all my skincare. I have my toner, my face wash that's almost gone, my moisturizer, and my serum. This is my makeup remover. I really like this one because it helps like waterproof makeup come off. And that's what I use for my mascara. And then I have my deodorant and my razor. I'm bringing a lot of deodorant because I sweat really bad and it's supposed to be really hot in Korea. I fear that their deodorants aren't going to be enough to keep me from smelling bad. I have my makeup pouch. I'm also gonna pack my Laneige lip sleeping mask that I got in Korea last time, but this is gonna go in my like personal items so I can use it on the plane because my lips get dry easily. Okay, the suitcase was 43 pounds and it can't be over 50.